Charge gate. 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 Happy Sunday. I better have to change. Charge gate. Charge gate. Charge gate. Charge gate.
Charge gate.
Okay, I better shift my sit down.
What do you mean?
Oga, shift man sit down. Now 3 people they sit down here. Middle they empty. Shift to the middle man sit down for this edge now.
Can't you see that this place is full already? Okay, you go shift now. Nobody there now. 2 of now. They shift a break. I may another person enter. You people are not normal in this town. You can see that the car is full. Where will I shift to? No, now sit on my head now.
What do you mean by that?
Madam, I beg. Go back, I beg. You manage back.
Oga, I know they sit down for back. Now yeah, I won't sit down because of my long legs. Now make me want sit down here.
Madam, if your leg is long, buy your car.
What do you mean by that?
Buy your car.
I better shift my sit down. Which kind of matter be all this one now? Shift my sit down now.
You are lucky I am going to church this Sunday morning. Else I would have dealt with you and this conductor. What's the problem? Oga, you go shoot now. No, they go. Time they go. You go shoot. Make this man sit down. Once I just drink small buburu like this, I know they get sense. Can't you see here is full already?
Ouch! Young man, what's going on here?
Okay, I be like say una patient run come up for static home.
Not true.
Because me, I don't understand. You are a madman. I put it to you that you are a madman. You have gone berserk. You are sick in the head. Good morning, sir. Happy Sunday, sir. I'm on my way to church this Sunday morning. I decided to enter this bus. I got here, I met this man, this woman. So I sat here. Now this woman came now, she said I should shift inside. Where? And this place is full already. You are trying to make me look like a madman before these people. Okay, I'm not mad, I'm normal.
It's fine.
If you look at me very well, you say that I'm normal.
It's fine.
What is wrong with you?
It's fine. We understand you very well.
You're going to church, right?
I'm going to church gate.
Don't know what will happen here. You join us in our vehicle and want to give you presidential treats. Do you understand? When you get to your church gate, indicate it so we'll drop you off at the church, okay?
You see the way people reason? You see the way they think?
It's okay.
Stop smoking, you say no. Now you are almost already mad. You are putting it on people's heads.
It's fine, sir.
Okay, I'm normal.
It's fine. We
I'm
know.
okay.
We know. It's fine. It's okay. No, don't worry.
No, you don't let me deal with
them.
it.
Don't mind them. That's how they behave. Don't worry, we understand.
Open the door for him.
Now you don't carry me like that now, eh?
Sir, please hurry up. Let's take this man to the psychiatry.
What's going on? Madam, I'm okay. I'm not mad.
Fine, calm down. Dr. Ade, sir, please give him that injection to help him calm so I will not bite anybody in this vehicle.
Okay, sir.
I'm not mad. I'm okay.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.